Hello everyone, this is the unboxing of Xiaomi Mi A2 32GB mobile phone 4G. This is a version for global market, and as you can see it has Android 1, which means it's a clean Android without any additional apps. This one costs $215 in AliExpress, but I bought it for $209 like 2 weeks ago. Unfortunately, I had to pay the customs, so it's a bit more expensive. But let's see what's in the package. This one's got almost 6-inch full screen display. It's got dual 20 megapixel camera and 3010 milliampere hours battery. So let's see what's here. So as usual with all Mi or Xiaomi products, you have a small instruction manual. This one is in English. I'm used to Chinese manuals. Great. Then there's a silicone cover, which is a nice touch. I didn't even know it is included. This always comes in handy. Then there is a USB-C to 3.5 millimeter headphone adapter, because this baby doesn't have a headphone jack. And there's this small thing which you use to insert SIM card. But let's see the telephone. Okay, here's the telephone, and of course USB charging cable, Type C of course, and the adapter. Okay, so that's about it, the contents of the package. This is the telephone. Let's take off the security. As you can see, this is a black one. It says Android 1. It's got fingerprint sensor, dual back camera, and dual front cameras. So here it is. Let's try turning it on. So of course it wants to connect to the network. I don't know if we can skip this, probably not. Skip, connect to Wi-Fi, skip. We'll adjust the time zone to, there is no Prague, so we'll just set Belgrade. January, today is October 11th, 2018, and the time is 6:46. 6:46. Okay, next. Name, next. Set pin. Okay, we don't want to record this because we'll just skip everything. Google services, more. Well, there, but there is no way to skip now. As I said, it should be Android 1, which means fairly clean Android. As you can see here, there are only a couple of Xiaomi added applications. And it looks very much like their MIUI, which doesn't have After All. It has After All, but you have to drag like this. So it's not classic MIUI interface, which is really nice. This is about everything there is installed. As you see, it's not much. It comes with Android 8.1. Hopefully we'll get Android Pie soon. That's about it. Let's see if we can display the amount of space. No, it's probably somewhere in settings. System. About phone. Build number, model. Storage. Okay, here's the storage. It's got 32 gigs, as you can see, and free space is 14. Oh. No, 13.97 is used of 32 gigabytes, so there's a bit more than half free space. This Android is getting bigger and bigger, even Android 1, which is really ridiculous, but what can you do? Hey, it's still enough for such phone. As I said, on AliExpress, around $215. Looks really nice. There you go. Thanks for watching.